In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a EA account on your PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, to start this process, I am displaying the EA website on my computer instead of doing it through a PlayStation 4. This is because in order to properly set up your EA account, you will have to do it through a web browser on your computer or your phone. So instead of starting it on your actual console, go over to ea.com. When you arrive on this website, you will be able to set up the EA account that you will be using to play any of their titles available on the PlayStation 4. So once you arrive here, click on this little user icon. So at the top right corner of the screen on this navigation bar, you will have the user icon, the support or question mark here, and then the EA icon. Just click on the user. Now you can choose between signing into a pre-existing account or what we want, create account. This will redirect you one more time to this page where you can set up your account. So you have two options. You can use any of these pre-existing accounts over here, including PlayStation. So this definitely speeds up the process. All of your info will be transferred over and you just have to confirm it. If you wish to do this process manually, first you will have to select your country or your region over here from the list, and I'm going to show you this full process as demonstration, and then you can include your date of birth. But of course, if you prefer, I would suggest just clicking on the PlayStation icon, being redirected over to the Sony or PlayStation website, and porting over all of your details. Not only will this speed up the process, but also your PlayStation Network account is already going to be linked, so you can start playing right away. If you do this process manually, you will have to link it later. So click next, and now you can include the necessary details. So the email address, and I'm going to type a random email for demonstration purposes, but you should take your time and carefully type yours. Enter a custom EA ID, which is how other people are going to be able to find and see you, and then a password over here. Once again, I'm just typing random stuff as demonstration. Once you click next, they are going to be verified. You might have to perform a puzzle to prove that you are not a bot, and after you submit the results, you will be able to confirm your email address and click create your account. You will be able to go into the account management page if you want to link your PlayStation Network account, or if you use the option to sign up using PlayStation, everything will be good to go. Set up your visibility so how other people are going to be able to find you, and create the account. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a EA account on your PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.